Okay, so how to add members on Wix website. So yeah, let me show you what you need to do. So we're gonna have to go here to pages and menu, and then here we have pages, right? So now we're gonna have to decide on which page we're gonna allow only members. So let's say I'm gonna allow members, only members that will that will sign in. So I'm gonna select this page. You can create a new page just for this. Create a blank page and click here blank page. Then you're gonna have to click on the three dots here and then select settings here. And here we have permissions. And from here we have everyone, password holders, visitors with password can view this page, or members who sign up to your site. So basically only customers who like purchase a plan can access this page. And this basically means pretty much that this like page will be like restricted to users who have bought a specific plan. So here we have, members can access this page, all members or specific members, and then you can enable members with roles, enable the rules, and you can create a rule, create here a rule. It's gonna load and add a rule, and here we can click on add, and here you can add a pricing plan or add member rule, and basically you let's say for add new rule, this is gonna allow you basically to add specific rule for different types of users or members. And for pricing plan, you can create, as you can see, a paid membership. There's an option for that. You can set up a different subscription plan, such as VIP or unlimited access, where members can where members must pay to access pages, certain pages, or different things on, or content, or content on your site. An example for this is, let's say you have a premium web section on your site with exclusive tutorials, in my case, right? So you can create like a VIP pricing plan, and only those who purchase the VIP plan will get access to the content. And now for members rule, and this is more for like rules for different groups of members. You can like assign different permissions and access based on the rule. You might have like a number of groups, like a staff. Maybe you have customers, and each group have they're gonna access access to a specific area of your website. For example, a staff can access the admin dashboard, while students can access a course section. Now I'm thinking of an example. I haven't tried this, to be honest with you. I know, you can add what we see here, but I haven't tried the exact examples that I'm thinking. So yeah. Now here, if you want to add a VIP, you can click on here, add pricing plan, and then you're gonna start to click on here on to start, basically, and you can create your first plan. You can click on here, create. And now an example of a plan, let's say. So here, let's say I'll add for this plan, I'll add pro learner membership. Okay, so now here we're gonna have also a description, and let's say for this example, the Pro Learn membership. They're for courses, for online courses, for Q&A sessions from premium education, let's say, and this is the plan, right? And now that's kind of like the description here. I can add so I can better explain or better know what I have here, so I can write. So I don't waste your time. I'll just write for gain. No, online courses. Online courses. So yeah. And then here the main features. I can add here what are the features. I'll just add the features. I'll pause the video. I'm thinking so I don't make this video too long. I do care about your time. Okay, so I've added here the features. This is optional, but I think I can, maybe if I give you the example, this will help, will illustrate exactly how this is going to function. And now the benefits, of course, I'm gonna choose here online platform. And then also something to offer, because I'm gonna offer here online sessions, for tutorials, and I can add some here, some channels. And also I don't forget to add the groups. Also I can give clients access to exclusive groups, and I'll click on here. And of course I'm gonna create a new one here, and for this one, let's say I will okay, so actually pause the video, and I'll click on create. Now I have a group. You can select your group and then done. Now I have a group. I can also add here channel. And now here I already, added a few things. Here I added the price is just like in my own currency, Romanian. Anyway, my own currency is just add your price here, payment frequency, length of the plan, and here, of course, the policy, well, you can include a simple policy like cancellations or, like no refunds or stuff like that. And to collect additional info, you can gather some information, some, additional information, but what I would do here, I actually did, I just changed the thank you page, added like a thank you personalized to my own membership. Of course, that's an example of learners. So of course, I'm added the personalized thank you page. I think really matters. Also, I'll disable let customers. Sorry, I forgot to do this. It's really better to have the customers start immediately when they will add their payment, when they will when they start their payments, and the allow customers to cancel their subscription. Of course, this will give the members the more freedom to cancel when they no longer want the servers, more flexibility, right?